I'm parked up on the Kirkson Pass Inn, and as you can see, it's a bit wintry. Not going to be able to see much today, but we'll go out and see what we can do. We can't even see the path. I think I'm going to be relying on GPS here. This is tough. Maybe a short walk today. Absolutely horrendous. Look at that. Right, we'll be up to Kilnshaw Chimney now. Continue up. And you can't see a thing. Really slow going, 40 minutes to cover the first kilometre. It's a nightmare. It's the top of the chimney route. That was a nightmare in this weather. Yeah, but absolute nightmare. We found it. Grade 3, 776 metres more. Oh, come on! Approaching our second Wainwright, middle Dodd. We cannot see a thing, you can only see it. Here we are, meeting a second Wainwright of the day. Middle Dodd, 654 metres. We're heading down now.
How long? You're gonna take it again.
Right at the end, these wild conditions, 654 metres middle Dodd. Now it's downhill. I'm down. I'm down. A hike with some idiots. Oh.
Here. It's easier.
You can see the road a bit. Still got a lot of descent to do in a short way. Ah. Richie's fallen over a few times. It's taking some getting doing this mountain. There we go, back on the road. That was a difficult walk, not very far, but it took a long time. So, went up the road to the car park, might be back down the road. This walk up Kirkson Pass is a killer as well. I think we've still got about a mile to go. So I'm going to call it